Hi, hello everyone. So welcome to the channel. So I'm back with one more interesting video from Ntse stage 2 of 2018. So this question is related to secants and tangents to a given circle, right? So ABC is a triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So in the adjoining figure means, so a figure is given in which angle B is equal to 90 degrees and it's in circle C1. So this is nothing but circle with the center as C1, has radius 3 centimeters. 3. Next, a circle of radius 1. So there is one more circle whose radius is 1, touches the sides AC, BC and the circle C1. Then the length of AB is equal to, he is asking. So he is asking one of the sides of this particular right angled triangle. Now since we know that at the point of contact the tangent and the radius will be perpendicular, right? Now let us see those points. So this is one such point. So let this point be some D, and this is one more such point. So let this point be E, and this is one more such point. So let this be F. The same way from this center C2 I can have one more perpendicular drawn onto this point of contact. So let this be some G, and from the center C1 and one more point of contact I can draw, right? So let this point be H, right? So here also we can draw it. Then this is nothing but 3 units, this is 3 units and this is 1 unit. Now I can join C1 and C2 also. So when I join C1 and C2, their length will be equal to 4 units because this is 3 units and this is 1 unit. Okay, now since this is perpendicular and this is also perpendicular, then these two lines are parallel to each other, and this is also perpendicular. That means from this clearly the fourth angle will be again 90 degrees. So clearly this becomes a square of side 3 units. The same way here also we are going to have 90 degrees angles. Now already we know from this point this is nothing but acts as external point A. So from external point to a circle the length of tangents are equal, right? So for suppose to find out the length AB, so we have this BD length but we don't have AD length. So let us consider that AD length as some X. Then obviously this AH also becomes X, right? Next, if you observe this EF, so this length EF is nothing but the direct common tangent of these two circles. The same way here HG also. So these two lengths are equal because they are direct common tangents to the same two circles, right? So to find out direct common tangent, to find length of direct common tangent LDCT. So DCT means direct common tangent, where L represents length of direct common tangent. So length of direct common tangent is given by 2 times of square root of capital R into small r. Okay, so here capital R is nothing but radius of the big circle and small r is radius of small circle. So using that formula, so 2 times of 3 into 1. So this gives me 2 times of root 3. So this EF length will be 2 times of root 3, and at the same time this HG length is also 2 times of root 3. Next, what about CF and CG? Since we don't know the lengths, so I am considering them as Y units. So if this is Y, then this CG is also is equal to Y, right? Next, this C1 C2, if I extend it till C, then clearly I can see that CF C2 and CE C1. So triangle CF C2 and a triangle CE C1. So these two triangles are looking similar by RHS similarity. We can say that these two triangles are similar to each other, right? So from that what I can say, so since we don't know C1 value and C2 value, other than those two sides, remaining two sides we can take as proportional. So from that what I can say, CF by CE is equal to FC2 by EC1. So when I substitute the values CF by CE, so CF value is Y divided by CE. CE is nothing but y plus 2 times of root 3 is equal to yc2. Sorry, FC2. So what is the value of FC2? FC2 is nothing but the radius 1 by EC1 means the radius of the given big circle. Now when I cross multiply, what I am going to get? So 3 times of y is equal to y plus 2 times of root 3. So when I transpose that, I am going to get 2y is equal to 2 times of root 3. So from this y is equal to root 3. So the value of y is root 3. So instead of y, what I can write? I can write it as root 3. Then this y is also equal to root 3. Now since I need to find out the value of x. Okay, so to find the value of x, since it is a right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem, right? So directly applying the Pythagoras theorem to this particular triangle. So what will you get by Pythagoras theorem? So this hypotenuse, so x plus 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3. Then directly what I can write it as x plus 3 times of root 3 whole square is equal to, here AB is nothing but x plus 3 whole square plus BC is nothing but 3 plus 3 root 3. So 3 plus 3 root 3 whole square. Now on expansion, what I am going to get? So x square plus 3 2s are 6 times of root 3 times of x plus, so 3 root 3 whole square is nothing but 27 is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9 plus this gives me 3 square is 9 plus 3 root 3 whole square is 27 plus 2 into 3, 6 3s are 18. So this gives me 18 root 3. Now on both sides I can cancel out x square and x square. Next this 27 and 27 I can cancel it out. Now from this what I am going to have? So here I am having 6x, here I am having 6 root 3x. Now from these two terms I can take common 6x. Then this becomes root 3 minus 1, which is equal to, here 9 plus 9 is 18. Here also 18 root 3 is there. So from both the terms I can take common 9. Sorry, not 9. So I can directly take 18 as common. If I take 18 as common, so this becomes 1 plus root 3. So in 6 table this 18 gets cancelled 3 times. So from this x is equal to root 3 plus 1 by, so root 3 plus 1 into 3, no? So this becomes root 3 plus 1 into 3 by root 3 minus 1. Since in the denominator we are having irrational number, so we are going to rationalize this. So what is the rationalizing factor? It is root 3 plus 1. So when I rationalize this, this gives me 3 into root 3 plus 1 whole square. This gives me 3 plus 1 plus 2 times of root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 is nothing but root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. So this gives me 3 into, so 3 plus 1 is 4 and this contains 2. So if I take 2 as common, this 4 times 4 means if I take 2 common, it becomes 2 plus it gives me root 3 divided by root 3 whole square is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 gets cancelled. Now finally what I am going to get? 3 into 2 is 6 plus 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3. So this is nothing but my value of x. But what do I need? I need the value of AB. Okay. So from the figure, what is AB? So AB is nothing but x plus 3. So what is the value of x? I got x as 6 plus 3 root 3. So 6 plus 3 root 3 plus 3. So this gives me 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 3 times of root 3. So likewise we can find out the length of AB. Okay. So this is nothing but the answer, 9 plus 3 root 3. Right. So thank you for watching the video. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, so please subscribe the channel and share with the friends. Okay, thank you for watching.